Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
3D ToonMaker Pro 1.0 review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll quickly talk about this offer called 3D ToonMaker Pro 1.0. So this is the 3D ToonMaker Pro 1.0 review, and right now we are on the under construction sales page. You can see this is a preview page, so it's not aligned properly right now because this product is launching on 8th of April, I guess, and I'm doing the review on 4th of April. So I'm early, it's not their fault. And then we have the demo video as well on the sales page, and these are those 3D cartoon characters which you will be getting, which you can use in your marketing materials, in your explainer videos, tutorials, YouTube videos, business videos, whatever. Okay, so let me go ahead and play a quick video for you so that you can see how you can customize everything and change everything. The price is showing 1970, so we'll check the prices and the OTOs in a moment. So right now the sales page is not updated because, as I said, I'm doing too early review, but it's something better than nothing. Okay, so let's watch this demo video, which is only 1 minute long, so it will not take much of the time. So it says 3D ToonMaker. I'll shut up. I'm here, but I'll get back to you in a minute after this video. It's nothing much to, that's it. So you have to go and open your PowerPoint to open these slides and then enter your text. You can have a website name, phone number, anything which you want to show here, and then this guy will be, these are those animated characters. Okay, more sample videos, more of these animated sample videos you will find on sales page. And you will find the link of the sales page below my YouTube video. But obviously, this is launching on the 8th of April. So if you're watching it before, then the sales page might not work, or you might be taken to the pre-sale page. Okay, so this is the final video. Hey John, this and that, and he's walking now. You can see here. You can always change and customize everything. You know how these things work. Okay, if you are a freelancer, you can sell these videos, short videos. Okay, we're done here. Okay. So if you're a freelancer, you can sell these kind of short animated videos to your clients on Fiverr.com or any other website where you have an active, listing or your profile ranks. Okay, and you can easily make, $50 or $100 for 30 seconds long video in case you have traffic coming to your profile on those freelancing websites. Okay, it's a good offer. Only those people can buy this who are either into video editing, they are creating promotional videos for their clients, for their Facebook ads maybe, because Facebook do allow you to run like 10 seconds Facebook ads, video ads. Okay, so these 10 seconds short videos might grab the attention of the people and you can run ad on them. Okay, so whatever your purpose is, you can go and grab this. You will find the link of this thingy below my YouTube video in the description here. Okay, and at the same time, if you're here, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And if you want to make money without even creating these videos or buying anything, then watch the video till then. We'll discuss these two links because they will make you money for sure. Okay, now let's talk about the pricing and the OTOs of this offer. This will cost you $1970 as of now. That's what I can see here, the front end. Okay, this is what you will be getting in front end. So pause the video and check everything. So 10 superstar 3D characters, this and that. Okay, and then you have OTOs. So these are the OTOs. Now discount codes, there's no discount codes as of now because I'm doing an early review as I told you. In OTO 1 you will be getting all this. Okay, that will be $37. OTO 2 will be $67. You will be getting all these features. 20, just pause the video and go through everything. Okay, OTO 3 is this, 67. OTO 4 is this, 5 is this. Okay, do we have more? No, we don't actually. So this is OTO 5, this is OTO 4, and again you can pause the video, read all these features, or else when you will buy the front end, then you will be taken to the relevant OTO pages one by one, and you can pick and choose there and spend your own time. Okay, this is the funnel though, OTO 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are the prices. And this is a good offer. These are good people. If I come back here to their profile, Shelley Penney, okay, they have done 17,000 plus sales, and they have almost 4 stars, and they only come back with these kind of animated video editing templates. Okay, So there's nothing complicated here. There's no fake promises. You go and buy this, use these videos in your own promotional materials or in your own projects or for your clients and charge money to them. How will you use these videos and templates, and how will you make money with this? Entirely up to you, okay? What can you do with this? What you cannot do with this? I guess let's check the license rights here. Okay, so these are frequently asked questions. What you can do these two things. What you cannot do is you can't give this for free, and it can't be sold again, okay? It can't be offered as a bonus. So the only way you could make money with this is edit these videos as per your customer details. So let's say if a customer comes and says, okay, we are plumbers, and I want a plumbing video. So you write their email address, phone number, website address on the video, maybe make a 30-second video, and you charge your customer $100 for that, okay? So you can always use these templates to make a unique video as per the client demand, but you cannot directly resell these templates and videos, right? So I guess so far so cool. So if this suits your need, then go and grab this 3D ToonMaker Pro 1.0, I guess, get it. And in case you only want to make money, then no problem, come back to my video here. I will check out these two links here. It says make money on autopilot with Forex thingy. Now Forex trading is like currency trading, where you buy currency at low price and then you sell the currency when the price goes up. Okay, for example, you see the machine here. Now in this machine you can see the graph. Okay, so we will be installing the virtual machine, then we will be installing the graph, then we will be setting up a software on this graph, and that software will be doing the trading on our behalf automatically. Okay, because the concept is quite basic: buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay, if we do it manually, we will go crazy, okay? Because we will not have time. We can't sit in front of the machine all the time, can be, right? So we will be using a software, and then I will be giving the settings to that software, and that software will be working as per those settings, okay? And this makes money on autopilot. So if you come back and click on the first link here and come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, then go back and verify the email. And just now somebody just now purchased the software, okay? So yes, this one which I'm talking about. You see, I was talking about the software. I just received an email on my phone. Somebody just have purchased the software. Anyways, from me actually, that's what I'm talking about. So you come on this page here, fill in your details, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. Watch two videos there, option 1, option 2, to understand how this thing is going to work, okay? And once you know what this thing, then you can contact me on Skype, and if you have any questions, we can answer, okay? However, do not contact me without watching the videos on the syndicate pages till the end, okay? Now this thing will make you 60% profits weekly, and you do not have to do anything, because all this what I'm talking about, I will be managing your account, I will be managing this machine, I will be managing the graph, I will be setting up the software. So I will do everything on your behalf, and you will have to do nothing. You will simply keep 60% profits, and I will keep 40% profits. Again, remember, it's on autopilot. You got to do nothing, okay? Second option is make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I'm doing right now on YouTube. And in case you want to do affiliate marketing, make these YouTube reviews, and you want to get your YouTube channel monetized, then you can go and get Traffic Jarvis, because right now when you're watching my video, I'm making money without even selling you anything, okay? So whether you buy this 3D ToonMaker or not, I still have made some money. You see here, they have paid for the software. I just told you, I was not lying. I wasn't lying. I just got the message that, oh, I paid for the software. Anyway, so you can also join the syndicate program, because people are joining it. It's entirely up to you. You live or die, it's entirely up to you, okay? So here again, if you want to make money on YouTube without selling, then you have to get your YouTube channel monetized, because you are watching some ads in this YouTube video, and these ads make me money whether I sell you something or not, whether you buy something from me or not, okay? So Traffic Jarvis will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, and then you can come on YouTube, do manual work, okay? Both methods makes money, but the recommended #1 method is this first one, because this thing is totally on autopilot, where you don't have to lift a finger after everything is set up, okay? Just like this guy messaging me on Skype, I'm setting this up for you. I'm setting up the syndicate system for him today. After this video, I'll get back to him. I'll get him going, okay? So yeah, In case you're interested in making money on autopilot, then try the syndicate. Check out all the details after filling up this form. Watch those 2 videos necessarily till the end. Don't come to me without watching those 2 videos, okay? Till the end. And then second is Traffic Jarvis is all about making money on YouTube manually. That's a massive difference. In option 1 here, you have to do nothing. In Traffic Jarvis, you have to work on YouTube as much you possibly can think of. Okay, so Traffic Jarvis will require manual hard work, make YouTube videos. For me, I come on YouTube when I have time. Otherwise, I'm doing trading and helping other people, setting up the graph and everything, okay? So today I did not have time. I had to create the time to record a YouTube video. So I'm creating these 15 minutes today to record this video and then talk to you people, okay? So let's do a recap here. 3D ToonMaker Pro 1.0 something something. It's a very good deal. If you want these templates and offers, then go and buy it. You'll find the link below. And if you want to buy some OTOs, you have to go and check out these OTOs, okay? And if you are a newbie, or if your end goal is only to make money and you don't want to make videos, or whatever your situation is, I am giving you 2 options. First is autopilot, 60% profit your, 40% mine. I will manage everything. You will have to do nothing. This is Traffic Jarvis, where you will be doing exactly what I'm doing on YouTube manually though, okay? In the end, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and now I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me, okay? The same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money, okay? And you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required, okay? And again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future, okay? All right, great. So we have these 2 methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these 2 methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.